Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the 30 days 30 book reviews series, and today's book is Educated by Tara Westover. So Tara is born in a Mormon family. She has not been educated. Her family does not believe in education or Western medicine or anything the government does. All they know is that the government is ready to get to them and exploit them. They don't even believe in going to the hospital if they get ill. They only believe in the medicine her mother knows, which is just traditional medicine by using natural herbs and everything. So now Tara's life is very eventful, even her family is, and so now they're living, and so there are a lot of number of brothers and sisters, and Tara faces everything from being bullied by her elder brother to witnessing major injuries in her family and major accidents, and how they never go to the hospital, and how those major accidents, because they were never treated properly, lead on to worse things. And of course the mental health is being affected of the whole family, and she has faced the worst of the worst. And one day she decides to get educated. She decides to take her education in her own hands, and well, that was a turn of events. Her parents are obviously against it, but she takes a stand. She goes on to get her education, which is a whole lot of struggle in itself, and she gets her education. And then, but the point is, even after she goes on to take this step, like to go get educated, her family shuns her. Not exactly shuns, they stop talking to her, and it's a whole lot of mess, but it teaches a lot. It is a mess full of knowledge for us, because if anything, as humans, in hindsight, we can think of better ways to correct our mistakes, and that is what Tara Westover has done in this book. She wants you to read her journey and learn from it. This book taught me a lot. It taught me how important an education is, how important it is to find a voice, which you have it, but it's tough to find it. So find it and use it. You can't just sit quietly in a corner and accept things that are happening to you. If you want to be someone, you have to make things happen. And thirdly, it also taught me that mine is not the only family which internalizes trauma. It is done with every other family in this world, and that is so freaking bad. How we need to correct it. And this book is a journey, an experience. I know it's not my life, but it felt like some of the parts were some things which I could really relate to, because some of them might have happened with me. Book a 5 out of 5 stars. I definitely recommend it to everybody. It's an experience, so you have to live it to know how it is. That's all. Bye.